Hey lovelies, welcome back to Lulu's Black Market. It's still freezing and it's January, but it doesn't mean that we need to compromise on flavour or enjoying ourselves. So I have got a fantastic, quick, simple recipe for a really healthy dessert, which is avocado chocolate mousse. Now, all you need, just for one single portion, is an avocado. We have some lovely organic high grade cocoa powder, some mixed spice, and that's going to have like cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, all those gorgeous mixed spice flavours. I like to add a little bit of ginger heat to my desserts, especially in January, to get that kind of winter warmer kick. So we've got some stemmed ginger syrup here, only half a tablespoon of that. And then if you really want to have something a little bit indulgent, tip off the edge of the healthy scale, I've got some crystallised ginger and some mixed peel, which is still good from Christmas. So remember, we are making do and mending in January, trying to use the things that are in the cupboards to make something healthy, delicious and cheap. Also got some soya milk, but any plant-based milk or cow's milk will do. I'm dairy free, so that's why I'm using plant-based. One that's got a really nice thickness to it is going to really create that creamy texture for the mousse. So that's why I would advise soya or something like pea milk, but cow's milk or goat milk will equally do that as well. So all you have to do, take your milk, chuck it into your blender, and take your avocado, chuck that in. See, so simple. Take your spices, pour those in, and your stem ginger syrup, pop that in there, and then all you got to do is blend. After blending, you should have a lovely, smooth, creamy, textured mousse. Oh my god, so good. And then feel free to decorate however you wish. I've felt a bit fancy this January. I'm doing dry January, but I can still have things out of a martini glass, obviously. So I'm going to pop a little bit of mixed peel on there and top it with a little bit of crystallised ginger. And there you have it, your avocado chocolate mousse mixed with that lovely ginger heat, some mixed spice, cocoa powder. Enjoy! Mwah.